to hype. It's batty time. Dash out, auntie. It's your time to shine. All of the rest of them, run out with the matches stick. But before they start the fire, hold on. Make a reason a little bit. On here, Spice to headline Toronto Pride. All of a sudden, on want the girl to pick a side. She pick a side. It need money. It talk. So all on a non-trending broke artists, please start to walk. Nobody now book Unuh. Unuh no global. Right now, God's grace a trend, and that's why no bad mind the girl. Jamaica, Unuh fail to recognize Spice as international material. Unuh want have the girl in a one box. Tell me something. Grace Hamilton look to Unuh like cereal. Cocaine damages the brain. True or false? True. So Unuh want get the bant and beer applause. Spice got legal work. She answered the call. Him a rasta what traffic illegal drugs and tell the driver, don't stop at all. Guns and drugs is what destroy family. Scamming and them shit, they're not LGBT. Morals and values. Jamaica, kiss my ass. Unuh is a set of double standard, hypocritical Rastafari. Is only a profile. Unuh have be a dirty livity. Unuh not have no style. How enough you want come address queer folks? Really, friend? Yo, Unuh better go fund me and bail Jacure again. Is either not the jail for gun charge, rape charge, murder charge. So, alright, if we a sinner, what Unuh be? Alright then, free world boss and free LGBT. The LGBT community is harmful to your children. Right, Jamaica? Okay. Ask the over 14 schools that I taught back in Kingston, Jamaica. While sharing our roots and preserving our culture. Ask JCDC about Zandramah. How I use the arts as a vehicle to move, touch, and inspire. Via the number of students that I empower. Enrolling them and showcasing their talents in the festival. With my teaching strategies and creative material. Ask them. And when you ask them, ask any one of them if they were ever touched, raped, or molested, Jamaica. I'm a lesbian. Yes, I'm guilty, Your Honor. But not for rape, guns, or drugs. I'm a certified teacher. Yes, this lesbian girl is a nation builder. So when you see people, see them for the value they bring and not what they do behind closed doors. You hear? Because if walls could talk, shame would have make no fun a drunk or disappear. No for on a celebrity profiling dirty rasta. What in a real life are beating and abusing the children and a woman. On a nasty livity does a sleep and a go on with the one bag of woman and I call it culture. Just a selfish, misogynistic, nasty, only coming like a vulture. All of that shit is just to keep women inferior. Well, we rise above that now. Women empower. And we learn to pleasure one another. So, where you fail, we win. Don't attack my sin, attack your shortcoming. Attack the fact that many of you fathers who are absent from the home forces your children to go to search early for love in the wrong spaces. Footer, go do some damage repair. Remember you just owned your 14-year-old son. So you don't want him to go looking for the love you never gave him over here. 14 years is a long, long time to be absent, you know, auntie. That little boy is missing the love of a man. So if I were you, I would stop from preying Leela Ike and mind your son, you know, like stop mind lesbian. Morals and values, really anti-footer. I mean, you slept with your best friend's woman. That was alleged public information. I shanna again say you used to beat her in front of your other son, so I know me alone I go face judgment when God's kingdom come. You're a failed parent, Footer, and a broken man. You can't even vlog all you do is to attack a woman. Oh, come on. Leave Spice alone. Let her create so you can play. Cause if she don't record, bitch, you don't have a payday. As for the rest of the country at large, sometimes I'm sick my stomach for know some really come from me yard. Cause when I can call out Batman year after year after year. But you know uphold and no big up the criminal them and the rapists and the gunman them and the murder them and the thief them and the scammer them year after year after year. On the silent to the shut up in the mouth cause I'm living in fear after fear. But I don't care. They know I expect a miracle from bro God. Take the money I go Oberman and cult God. Can no find no down the unrighteous, know God. No is a slave to every corruption wa go on. A ungo Baptist strength to have. Unuh ever say Jamaica gone to the dogs. So now that you see the dog them gone to Canada. What time do you think it is, Jamaica? Spice, Goody, go down there. Go and go do your show. Your children are waiting on you to provide. Jamaica, me can't come down there. So you need to go clean up on the corruption and allow LGBT. Because your children are waiting for you to gather your pride.